guys, here's this Newtone Hugger ceiling fan that's in my grandmother's house. It's a very nice fan. I love this thing. It has a nice sound to it. So yeah, I don't know how long it is. It's a 4-blade, probably from the 80s. With the lights on it. Let me try to focus. There you go. It's a nice looking fan. I want to get a clear bowl for that because it looks kind of weird. So yeah, we'll start it up. Okay, so let's shut off the light kit. And we'll start it up on something. This is high. Puts out a decent amount of air actually for. Okay, let's switch it over to medium. Okay, medium. This switch might be a little messed up, but that's medium. Let's put it on low. Okay, low. Sorry about that. Hear the motor making a nice humming sound. Turn on the light. Very nice fan, I love it. I might get this fan maybe soon. Okay, let's try. Yeah. Yes, shut it down. Yeah, it still has pretty good bearings because it spins down pretty good. It's just the motor's kind of loud, but that's okay. It's typical of fans from this era. It's a nice fan. I honestly don't care about hums. People who say they don't really like the hum, well, that's good for them. But I like the hum because it gives it some kind of character to it. So I'm gonna let this spin down, and we might do a start on low. Okay, so it stopped. Oh, by the way, you guys, this is at 3-speed. Okay, let's turn it back on low. That's a slow startup, but that's okay. There you go. Yeah, I might have to do some repairs on the string. I might need to glue this part up because it fell off. As you can see right there, that fell off somehow. I don't know how, but I'm probably gonna have to hot glue that back on or see if I can repair it somehow. So yeah, let me just put it back on medium where I had it. I always feel like I'm gonna break it when I pull that chain, so it's honestly, it circulates air pretty good. Even on low, it does it good. Yeah, so that's about it. Hope you guys liked this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.